This activity is called Charting the Ocean Depths. On this activity, you're going to find in your supplies a box. It looks like this. Take it, you're going to fold it, it comes out like this. A little bit smaller than anticipated, but you know, it actually will serve the purpose just fine, makes you have less clay to have to work with. So after you assemble your box, take a pair of scissors and put about 10 holes across the top of it. You want to try to evenly, make them as even spaced as possible. And then I would line my box with something that's going to be waterproof, because clay has oil in it and it'll soak in and ruin the box and you can't use it again. So I like to use things more than once, so that is what my suggestion would be. So then you're going to give the kids a made box, give them some clay, and have them build an ocean floor. Well, they don't know what an ocean floor is yet, so a great way to introduce that is have them look it up. Give them the terms. Tell them to look it up. Find out what is this that you're going to have to build, and then as a group, they're going to build their ocean floor. A couple of things to remember. As after they build it, you want them to build it down the center of the box. You don't want to have a seam out over here on the corner and the trench down here on the other corner. You want them right along the middle of it. So that's a good way to have the kids putting it together. Then label the box of their group number, and then when they have built it that day, set it down and you're done for the day. The next day, you're going to give them their lab sheet. Their lab sheet is going to look like graph paper, and it'll actually have some questions on it. I would put these 2 pages together, and if you print 2 pages to a page, that fits perfectly great into a composition book. On this one, you're going to take your box, you're going to take a skewer. You're going to place it in at number 1. You're going to pinch it. You're going to take now the top of it, and you're going to place the top of it by the number 1, and then put a point where your fingers are. And you're going to have each kid take a turn, and you're going to do that on each one. After you have done that, have them connect their dots in order. As they do that, that should give them how the ocean floor goes. You want to do it so that you're taking and measuring from your fingers to the top, and the reason for that, you could also lay your fingers at the number 1 and place it that way. That's another way to do it. But you want it at the top, otherwise you'll have a mirror image of it. You don't want that. After they've done that, then have them connect their dots. And then the questions on the page are asking them to make a scientific illustration of what they think it looks like inside the box. They don't get to open the box yet. Have them go through the questions, thinking of what they saw, what they might have seen in that box. After their whole group is done with it, then they can go back and open the box and see if they got it right. And then they can also trade off with whoever had their box and see if they got it right.